The U.S. finally gets its man, and it's Fall Down Friday on this edition of Arbitrage State of the Bands, starting right now. Good morning, traders, and welcome to your Arbitrage State of the Bands for Friday, April 12th, 2019. I'm Joshua Stark. British police on Thursday hauled a bearded and shouting Julian Assange from the Ecuadorian Embassy, where he was holed up for nearly 7 years, and the U.S. charged the WikiLeaks founder with conspiring with former Army intelligence analyst Chelsea Manning to get their hands on government secrets. Police arrested Assange after the South American nation revoked the political asylum that had protected him in the embassy, and he was brought before a British court, the first step in an extradition battle that he has vowed to fight. Up next, it's more news and your Fall Down Friday pick.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
SpaceX has launched its second supersized rocket and for the first time landed all 3 boosters Thursday, a year after sending up a sports car on the initial test flight. The new and improved Falcon Heavy thundered into the early evening sky with a communication satellite called Arabsat, the rocket's first paying customer. The Falcon Heavy is the most powerful rocket in use today with 27 engines firing at liftoff, 9 per booster. Since Q3 2007, this company has sold over 1.3 billion units of its most popular product, capturing 87% of the profit in market, but only 18% of the smartphone market. It also sold more watches in 2017 than the entire Swiss watch industry. That company, you've probably guessed it, is Apple. Symbol AAPL, your Fall Down Friday pick.
Powers Not Included, the comic book podcast. A podcast about comics, games, toys, and everything geek. They talk about Deadpool, Deathstroke, Deathlock, The Night of the Living Dead, and The Walking Dead. Why the fixation on dead stuff? Find out when you subscribe to Powers Not Included on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and Podbean.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.